Featuring a classic analog style, essential smart features, and a full suite of all-day health monitoring capabilities, Vivomove Trend can help you live better while looking great. In this video, we'll introduce you to your new hybrid smartwatch. After charging, download the Garmin Connect app to complete the easy setup process. It will walk you through how to get your smartwatch up and running and paired with your smartphone. Now, let's take a look at the watch. To wake the screen, raise your wrist or double tap the screen. Swipe up or down to view widgets that show you your steps, floors climbed, intensity minutes, and health stats such as body battery, stress, heart rate, sleep score. Even take a look at your calendar or read smart notifications, messages, and emails. Tap on any of the widgets to access more data or additional options. You can remove or reorder widgets by using the Garmin Connect app. Swipe right to go back to the previous screen. To access the controls menu, swipe left from any page. Here you can quickly view the digital time and date, battery status, as well as shortcuts to various controls, such as Do Not Disturb, Garmin Pay, and Find My Phone. You can change which controls appear by editing the menu in the Device Settings menu or in the Garmin Connect app. Press and hold on the screen to access the device menu. Here you can tap to start an activity, view heart stats, set timers and alarms, or access settings. To start an activity, just tap the activity icon. Scroll through the available activities including walk, run, cardio, strength, and even yoga. More activities can be selected using the Garmin Connect app. Then you can tap to select the activity you want to complete. For outdoor activities, you will be asked if you want to use the GPS on your connected smartphone. Double tap the screen to start your activity. During the activity, you can view the timer on the screen or scroll up or down to see other data such as heart rate and calories burned. When you want to stop an activity, double tap the screen. Tap to save, discard, or resume the activity. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.